Hi everybody, let's make this beautiful rose flower using ribbon. So take a piece of red ribbon and cut the ends like this. Now we are going to burn it from the ends and make it curl like this. After that we are going to paste all the petals one after another on this green stick. Cover the stick like this. Put a glue on the end of the petal and paste all of them one after another. Cover it like this in a circular manner, and look, it is almost ready now. Then we are going to again paste petals like this. You can increase the size of the flower as you like, and look, it is almost ready now. Finally we are going to paste it on this leaf like structure, and look, it is ready. You can make more such flowers and gift it to your loved ones. Let's make this beautiful flower wall hanging. We are going to make the frame by these bamboo sticks. Combine all of them together using hot glue gun like this, and then we are going to cut this paper cup and paste all the bamboo sticks around it and like this, and look, it is ready. Now we are going to put some jute rope around it like this, and look, it is ready. Paste all of them, and look, you can put flowers inside it. Look at this beautiful flower pot. Let's make it using this plastic bottle. Make multiple cut on the plastic bottle. Fold it and paste it using double-sided tape. Make its handle. Put flowers inside it, and it's ready. Look at this beautiful mini earbud houses. Let's make it. So take a bunch of earbuds and start building this beautiful house. First place 4 earbuds together. We are using a blue color earbud here. Now place all the earbuds vertical and horizontal manner like this, and then we are going to fill the top section like this. After that we are going to fill all the holes in the center using this earbud like this. We are going to make 2 rows like this of these earbud, and look, it is almost ready now. Then we are going to put more earbuds in the corner like this in horizontal manner. Now we are going to remove some of the earbud for stability like this. After that we are going to cover the sides as well using more earbuds like we are doing here, and look, it is done. We are going to add more earbuds like this. Again we are going to repeat the process by filling in the grooves like this, and look, it will give more stability to the house. Repeat the same process from all its 4 sides. After that we are going to start giving it shape. Remove some of the earbuds like this till half, and it is looking something like this, and look how pretty this is looking. Again we are going to start filling the center part like this by putting some earbuds in the center, and look, it is almost ready now. Add more layers of the earbuds like this. Now we are going to make the roof of the house. Put earbuds like this and make the roof, and look, you have to do it like this, and it is almost ready. Give it shape using fingers, and again we are going to fill some grooves if required. Then we are going to make the door of the house. Use a different color earbud here. We are using a pink color earbud. You can make different colored earbud houses. Thank you so much for watching this video.